The first step in launching your app is to identify who your audience is and what they need. Next, conduct thorough market research and analyze your competitors to understand the landscape. Now, develop a clear concept for your app and compile a list of features that meet user needs. Create a user-friendly design and prototype that emphasizes usability and aesthetics. Plan your development process, deciding whether to build it yourself or hire experienced developers. Extensively test your app to ensure that it functions correctly and offers a great user experience. Develop a solid marketing strategy, including pre-launch promotions to build excitement. Choose the right app stores for distribution and prepare for submission processes. After launching, monitor user feedback and analytics to understand how your app is performing. Finally, always plan for updates and ongoing support to ensure your app remains relevant and user-friendly.